Most people think you need a big audience or complicated funnels to earn online. But the truth is, simple pictures and the right hook can bring in commissions every single day. And the crazy part, you don't even need to come up with those hooks yourself anymore. AI can do it for you. Platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and even Facebook push image content nonstop. But only images that stop people mid scroll actually make money. Not because they're beautiful, but because the message attached to them sparks curiosity. The problem? Most beginners don't know what to say. They post random photos with random captions and hope something sticks, and nothing does. That's where Profit Trigger AI changes everything. It analyzes what's already performing online and generates the perfect scroll stopping hook, the right angle, and the exact micro content that makes people want to click. So instead of guessing, you're posting images that are engineered to convert. You don't need to design anything fancy. You don't need to talk to on camera. You don't even need followers. You just need AI to package your picture in a way that sparks curiosity. And curiosity leads to commissions. If you want to see the same AI tool I use to turn simple images into profit producing posts, check the link in my description and sign up for Profit Trigger AI. One strong hook on one image can earn you over and over again.